Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the August Look Fantastic beauty box. Now I did have these and then I cancelled the subscription because I couldn't afford them, but now I can. So now every month I'm going to have 3 beauty boxes delivered to my door, which is the Pretty Little Thing, Glossybox and Look Fantastic. So this is the Look Fantastic beauty box. I think it's the birthday edition, I believe. So this is what it looks like. I will leave everything about Look Fantastic beauty boxes in the description box below. As always, I'm going to leave a little clip in this little screen here just to show you guys of how to get on to Look Fantastic, how to subscribe to their boxes and how much they are, just like I do with the glossy boxes. The reason why I've now subscribed to glossy boxes is because, not glossy boxes, the Look Fantastic, is because obviously I wanted to purchase them again. I did miss these. I think the only reason why I cancelled is because obviously I couldn't afford them, I didn't have enough money, so I thought something had to give. That is why I replaced the Look Fantastic ones with the Pretty Little Thing ones. But now I can afford the Look Fantastic beauty boxes as well, and it's just come at the right time as well because the advent calendar is going to be releasing soon. You can pre-order the advent calendar now, I do believe. Anything about the advent calendar I will leave in the description box as well below for you guys. But the advent calendars are amazing every year. Just like the glossy box, the only thing that's different with Look Fantastic and Glossy Box is the Look Fantastic does not have a ribbon in. So when you open it up, so obviously it has the tissue paper, and on the tissue paper it says LF, which is Look Fantastic, and it's beautiful. I have already sneak peeked of what's inside this box, and I must admit the products in here are lovely. Now this, you get a little card just like the boxes, and this is the Look Fantastic of a box, a decade of beauty box. So I think this is the birthday edition one. And also different from Glossy Box, Look Fantastic have like little quotes and stuff inside the lids, which is, it says happiness, good luck and fortune. So the first thing we have is these little sachet drinks. Now I had one of these in my glossy boxes. I did try the Glossy Box one. These drinks, they might be alright for some people, but I think they're absolutely vile. I don't like them, so I'll either give it to someone who likes these sort of things or just bin it. Because I tried it last time and it's absolutely vile and I don't like it. But this is what it looks like. It's a little sachet drink. It's called the Liquid IF Hydration Drink. It's in the passion fruit. And yeah, so what you do is you fill it up a glass of water and then you pop that sachet into your glass and then stir it around and then just drink it. Or you can pop it into a bottle like it says here. You can pop it into a glass or into a bottle. But yeah, I don't like these. These are absolutely vile, so I'm just either going to give this away to someone or chuck it away. And the next product we have is a Vino cream. I think it's a cream. Yeah, it's the Oat Gel Moisturizer. I've never had a Vino product before, so let's pop it out of the packaging. So this is what it looks like, and oh, it does smell quite nice. That's what it looks like. I've not even touched this, by the way, guys. This has been sitting in the box until I can film it for you guys, but it's normal body lotions and moisturisers have a really nice smell too, but yeah, that I'm not too keen on. I'm really not keen on that at all, the smell of it. So I might just give that away to someone who likes Aveeno creams, but yeah, the smell to that is just horrible. Now in every single box you get 5 full-size products, but obviously we got more than 5 this time because obviously I think it's the birthday edition, so you get more than 5. So we have a Cartier London Transition powder. I absolutely love all the setting powders. I love them. I've had this one before and I do like this one. It's a Cartier London one. Then we have a Rituals, the Rituals of Karma Hydration Body Cream. Now I absolutely love Rituals. I think I said this in my last video, but I absolutely love Rituals. They are a little bit pricey on some things. It depends on what you get. There is the new one, I think it's in a purple packaging. I've still got yet to try that one. Now let me smell this one. Oh no, that smells incredible. I've got loads of Rituals of body lotion. I think I've got about 4. So this make it number 5. I've never had this one though, but it does smell absolutely insane. That's 3 more products to show you guys. So the next product is this. This is giving me made by Mitchell vibes, but it's not. It's a Glow Hub Buff Blush colour stick in the shade Pinched. So let's show you the packaging, by the way. It's giving me made by Mitchell vibes because of all the colour, the actual wording. It's giving me that kind of vibe. So let's open up the packaging and show you the actual colour of it. So this is in the shade Pinched. It's hard to get into these. There we go. So let's show you. Like you can see, it's not actually been opened. Oh, now that looks cute. So that's what it looks like, and that's the colour of it. Oh, it looks actually quite nice. Never had a blush stick before, so I can't wait to give that a go. And then the last 2 things to show you guys. Then we have this, which is called Money from Chris Appleton and Colour Wow. It's the super glossy, I think it's something to do with your hair. I've never even heard of this before. It does look really cute. And I can't smell it because it's got the thingy on. I don't want to take it off just in case I give it away. But it's apparently it's from the Colour Wow products, but the packaging looks really cute on it, I must admit. I actually thought it was something different, but then I looked at it guys and I thought, ooh, I don't know whether to try this out or give it away yet, but yeah, it looks really cute. And then last but no means least, we have a very own Look Fantastic the box. So this is obviously the birthday edition box, so they put in their own little addition to the box to make it a little bit more cute. So we have a Look Fantastic mirror, and obviously it comes in its own little organza bag, and this is what it looks like. Purple, and it's got the writing Look Fantastic on it, and obviously it's a double-sided mirror. Looks pretty cute. I've got loads of compact mirrors in my drawer, literally loads of them, but this one comes with a little cute organza bag, which I'm trying to put back in the bag now, so you can just keep it all nice and clean and tidy in there. It'd be nice, so like if you know someone that needs a little mirror but don't have one, these are really cute. You can actually buy different organza bags as well, and you can actually style them up like for Christmases and birthdays and stuff. Obviously not this kind of one that says Look Fantastic on, but you can get plain ones, like you can get all different colour ones, plain ones, pattern ones, and you can just dress it up, put like little mirrors in or like little brushes and stuff in, but it looks really cute. I think it's actually really cute for a little present for someone. So this is all the products that was inside my beautiful August Look Fantastic beauty box. They are incredible. I absolutely love them, apart from the Aveeno, which I don't think it smells that great, so I might give that away. I cannot wait to use that blush. Can't wait to use that mirror. I'm either going to give that away or bin it because I don't like it. That I'm definitely keeping because I absolutely love. I'm going to try that, see what it feels like, and I absolutely love that. But yeah, overall I absolutely love this Monks Beauty box. So guys, that has been my August Look Fantastic beauty box. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, as always, everything about Look Fantastic will be in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. The beauty boxes are incredible, and also they have the amazing advent calendar of the year, and as always I will be filming all the advent calendars that I get, like I do every year. I will try and get the main ones that I had last year, and as always I will be filming them, picking out 5 boxes at random and then showing you what kind of products that you would receive in them advent calendars. But I cannot wait. I think they're up for pre-order already, so I cannot wait to start pre-ordering my advent calendars and then scheduling the payments. But yeah, I cannot wait. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, nevertheless, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.